Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to synchronize the appearance with the device settings in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then just drag this section at the bottom of the page up to enable more functions. And then within the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And then at the general section, click on the appearance button. And at the top of the page, there's a button that says sync with device settings. So if you enable this, the theme of the application will correspond to the phone settings. So if you want to do that, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.